See if we can take this puppy apart, see what it looks like. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. If not, then I won't post it. Here we go. They call this flashing, but you just peel it off. And the more time you spend peeling it off, the cleaner it will look. But I'm just going to do it quickly here. But I can get this to where there's nothing on it whatsoever. But you can see this brief video here, how nice it turns out. But I want to at least show you what it looked like coming out of the mold. And there she be. Pretty cool.